Hello people, you have to watch this RS6 review till the end. It gets really serious. Hello people, this is Moscarblog, and in today's video I'm reviewing this crazy RS6. It was given to me by Dekker. Go check him out on Instagram. This car has 740 horsepower and 950 Newton meters. It's a stage 2 RS6 with a Milltek exhaust. You can see he did the black lights, he smoked them out. He did some black bits here. It looks really mean, really aggressive, this car. Look at these beautiful RS6 performance wheels he's got here. We've got these black mirrors. We've got this beautiful shape of an estate of the RS6, this typical RS6 look. We've got this beautiful exhaust by Milltek. This sounds astonishing. Like, this is one of the meanest estate cars you can ever buy. Like, what is even meaner than this? Maybe the Panamera Turbo? No, not really. This is like the meanest estate car out there. We've got that Milltek exhaust. We've got those beautiful seats. We've got that beautiful front. We've got this whole aggressive look. We've got 740 horsepower from a 4.0 V8. This has a stage 2 tune to it. So come and check out the interior, guys. We've got this typical RS6 interior with a lot of carbon here and here. We've got the Bose system. We've got a lot of place in the back, of course. There's a lot of space here. So I think it's enough talking. Let's do a sound check and then start driving. So now, after we finished the beauty of the car outside, it's time to take it for a drive. You can hear that beautiful Milltek exhaust. Sounds absolutely crazy, and it's super fast. I'm really surprised. Listen to that, ladies and gentlemen. What is that for a crazy sound? Wow, what a crazy car. Wow, it's really, wow. That's how much difference a tune can make. This car is completely different to your normal RS6 that you know. This car is not your average RS6. Wow, it's crazy. Okay. The car is fairly agile too. It's got a good suspension. It's not too stiff. It's not too stiff of a car. It's pretty good. So let's find a place to turn around here. those pops and bangs! Whoa! Wow! Wow, this car is so much fun. So ladies and gentlemen, I will now end this beautiful drive with this beautiful RS6. If you enjoy cars like this, then subscribe to my channel, leave a like for more cars like this, and so we can enjoy more cars together. Leave a sub, subscribe. This was Moscarblog, and goodbye.